Hope's roommate.
Chapter 3. Why do you want to get to know me?
Because I'm your roommate.
You're my what?
I just moved here today, so I'm your roommate.
Why?
The teacher said so.
Oh,
So, why did you come here?
my parents didn't want me anymore.
Why?
I'm not telling. I didn't want to tell him I had wings. He could be lying about the whole roommate thing. I was not gonna let my secrets go. I really believe he's lying. Nothing good like this has ever happened to me before. So, I got his fries and burger and left him alone. Here. Thanks. After I was done with him, I went to serve Mike. Here, Mike.
Thank you.
Who does he think he is? He's trying to fool me? He's not cute anymore. Just forget about him. Forget about him, forget about him. Maybe I'll forget while serving someone else. Stop staring at me!
Oh.
Here, Mike.
Thank you.
I can't. Hi, Mike, you're normal?
Yeah.
Okay. It's not working. Hey, Ruby. Yeah? Can you lock up, please? Sure. Thanks. Since Ruby was locking up early, I went home early.
Ugh, I sure as hell can't wear this in my school.
Way better.
Halfway up the stairs, I saw Kaylee.
What are you doing?
The teacher switched me with some cute guy. You're gonna live. Roommate with Casey.
Oh, I hope. Let me run to my room.
The stairs, I slipped.
Thud, 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 thud.
At the bottom, I could not feel anything. That's when I got dizzy, and everything went black. 5 hours later, I woke up in pain. Where am I? Quiet. I heard a thud, so I ran down the stairs. I saw you laying at the bottom of the stairs. Am I bleeding? Not anymore. I took care of that. But your wing is broken. What? Quiet. You saw my wings? Yeah, you're not scared of me? Of course not. Why? Because I have my own.
He flapped his muscular gold wings. And just then, I felt safe.